In this video, you're going to learn 10 free apps for content creation in 2022. In this channel, you would always learn things that has to help you come into full accomplishment of your purpose, keeps you productive, and then stay profitable. And if you want to begin to learn things as such, and this relates to things you really want to become aware and informed about, please do well to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Now, what are the 10 free apps that would help you to be good and to be exceptional at content creation in 2022? Number one is answerthepublic.com. If you want to come to the point where you want to become aware and informed about the kinds of topics that people want to read about, people want to listen to, people want to watch. Okay, you can make use of answerthepublic.com, and then you can just go in there, type in any topic of your interest, and you'll see different questions that people are asking, other than just coming up with just seemingly thought through topics that people are not asking questions about. It's better you just make use of answerthepublic.com so you can give people exactly what they want to read, exactly what they want to hear, and exactly what they want to watch. Number two is Answer Socrates. That's another app that works like answerthepublic.com, but it seems to be more deeper in their search than answerthepublic.com. So you can make use of answerthepublic.com or Answer Socrates. Okay, Answer Socrates. Number three is Grammarly. All right. Number three is Grammarly. All right. If you want to be very good with not speaking the wrong grammar, the wrong tenses, and then you want to be correct in your English expression, you can install Grammarly. I make use of Grammarly keyboard on my phone. All right. So you can also do the same and make that really help you do well in your content creation. Number four is Evernote. Evernote. A lot of the times you may be on a journey and an idea just struck in your mind. You can just type in Evernote, or you have an idea on how to do well at content creation in 2022. Maybe as you kept on moving on, you say, oh, discussions no one is saying about content creation, or what no one told you about how to be the best at your game. So you just write those ideas, and when you write them out, you can come together, flesh them up, and create content on them on Facebook, on YouTube, on your podcast, or on any of those platforms. And then you can begin to flesh them, because a lot of the times when you don't document your ideas, you may get to lose them. Number five is Otter, Otter. Otter is a transcribing application whereby you can be in a conversation with someone, or maybe when you're in a live session and you want to transform those your audio words into a written content, you can really make use of Otter. All right, I've made use of this during a live webinar with a friend, and then it's very, very, very good. So you can repurpose your audio content or your video content into written content that could become a book, that could become a social media post, and then it becomes really easy and you stay productive at content creation. So the first five apps are very good when you are looking at written content. And then the next app number six is Headliner. Headliner will help you transform your audio content into video like content. So, for example, maybe you set something on auto that have been turned into text content, and then you want to create something like a video without really showing your face. You can just put an image, and then it begins to put the different amplifier signal on the things that are being said, and then you can make it as an Instagram post, or as a WhatsApp status post, or as a post on Facebook that shows like a video. And it's really, really good, and you can really make use of this. And one good thing about this is that it is free. Number seven is Anchor. Number seven is Anchor. So Anchor is an application that helps you to create audio podcasts, and then when you record them, you can make them available on Spotify, on Apple Podcasts, on Google Podcasts, and on all other podcast channel, Overcast, and a lot of podcast channels. So if you really want to get your podcast across people from different nations, for example, I have my podcast Growth Secret with Abiodun Mustafa being aired in the US, in the UK, in the Philippines, in Canada, in Germany, in Ghana, in Benin, and a lot of other places. So Anchor helps you do this. So Anchor FM is really, really amazing. Number 8 now is Canva. All right, Canva. So you may have heard of Canva over time. Canva is really good right now. Maybe you want to create amazing graphics, you want to create quotes from things that have been said, and then you want to share it and get a lot of people to listen to them. You can make use of Canva. And take note, there are a lot of videos available on YouTube where you can learn how to use any of these apps. Number 9 is InShot. So what now we are going to video content. What are two free apps that can help you create amazing content in 2022? We have InShot when you want to edit your videos. Maybe you want to remove like the M's, the M's, the okay, the all right, the R. You want to begin to remove them and you want to put some form of background music. You want to make your video look really nice on with your smartphone. You can really edit your videos with InShot. Okay, and lastly, number 10 is Viva Video. All right, Viva Video also helps you to edit your video really nicely. You can put all the subscribe button, put all the like button, and you can put all of those things and make them really, really nice. So if you can do well to do make this 10, make use of this 10 apps, they're available on Google Play Store, Apple Store, and then you can just download and install them. So if you got a lot of value from this, please do well to like this video, drop a comment, and also stay subscribed. So I come your way again. Just do well to watch other videos available in this channel that can really make you exceptional with content creation. Cheers.